So today morning was a very nice weather at Bhopal, and we thought let's go for a little outing. So we are going to Yodha Sthal. Yodha Sthal is basically Bhopal War Museum. It's right next to us because we stay quite close to the army cantonment in Bhopal. The drive was very nice. Mummy couldn't come, she had her fasting today. So here you see we are entering the Bhopal Cant. And whenever we come to Cant, our memories are refreshed because our daddy has retired from army, and we are really proud of him. And each time when we enter this Cant, because daddy has served here as well, our memories are refreshed. And being army kids and being in army gives you a lot of things to learn, and makes you more confident, and we are really proud of that. So okay, now let's talk about this Yodha Sthal. This is the entrance. You can see Yodha Sthal. So this is the entrance. The tickets were quite nominal. It was 20 bucks per person. So here you see we are entering. Joshua was quite excited about the place. The weather you see, the clouds you see, Bhopal will never disappoint you with the weather. I mean, and the best part was at the end of it, actually this was the end. Once we had completed, you could see the rains coming and making the trip, the day far more better. So this is the camp area, and there in the top which you see, that's daddy's office. And बारिश में कुछ खाना पीना तो बनता है, तो we were going upstairs to the bakery to get some stuff. And you can see here the green Bhopal. When we hear about Bhopal, we feel that it would be plains or something, but it has got this all slightly hilly terrain. You can see these small hills and small mountains sort of thing here. And daddy was showing us the places. We have come for a vacation and never felt like going to a place. And this, what you see, is Jain Mandir, which is next to our house. और यहाँ पे daddy was explaining Jashvi about each and everything. So daddy was telling about the guns, that which all guns are there, which all tanks are there, because he served in artillery, so he knows everything, and we are lucky enough. And here you see me all posing. I have got these new पावर ग्लासेस. आंखें हो गई हैं थोड़ी खराब, तो वो पहन के थोड़ा सा पोजिंग. और ये डैडी बता रहे थे इस गन के बारे में.
122 millimeter gun, 130 is there. When I was commanding in Tibri, this was the gun with army.
One of my friends who was a boy, his name is Mason. He always wanted to be an army person, and in class he draws like tanks, guns, like army trucks to get to the stores, like lots of stuff, like even underground ones, so they even exist.
Okay. So here you can see Jashvi. This was a helicopter here, and daddy made sure that Jashvi sits inside that helicopter. So there were this place was like, it was immensely huge, immensely green, and there are army people, army bhaiyas, army soldiers who help you to go through the entire area, and they tell you about various things. But he didn't accompany us too much because he knew daddy was there with us, so daddy told us everything.
This is the minefield.
So now you can see the mines.
They are putting the mines. You see mines?
Yeah.
So and then it is covered with the soil. When enemy is crossing that, if somebody puts leg on that, blast. So this
Oh, like it's even in the danger, like there's one jail and maybe one island.
Now this was some of the indoor museums. Here Jashvi learnt a lot about like the various wars India has fought. You can see the army corps, जो Sudarshan Chakra है, that is the sign of this corps. You could see the various people who have given their lives. You know, when you see all these things, sometimes you feel that we worry about small things in life. People have done so much for us. They have just, you know, given their lives. They have not thought about their own family and just fought for us. And Jashvi saw the Paramveer Chakra, which is supposed to be the India's highest gallantry award. She saw the people who have won, and she was the one who said that I want to earn a Paramveer Chakra. So I told Jashvi, if you grow up and you want to be an army personnel, then you can earn it for yourself. So all these things, you know, I think we should show our kids. They learn a lot, you know, they get motivated to do good things in life, to do some things for other people. ये है daddy उसको दिखा रहे थे, and you know I loved the way that Jashvi was walking. They were walking around talking, and you also had some of the places where they could just play. You even had some of these rolling things, but we didn't let her go because it was slightly rainy, so it was all slippery and there could be some insects, so we avoided. But some things Jashvi played here and there, and she wanted to just do it again and again so that she does it all right.
Don't step down now.
So there she did it, and matlab, it was very near to house. It was a very small
Good.
outing, but I really loved it because
You've done it.
I also got a lot of feelings, and even Jashvi was happy, so it was kind of amazing.
Woohoo! Cheers.
Here, this was again. Here you can see India, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan wars, various gallantry awards. You know, if you read it, go through it, you learn a lot from these things. And to our surprise, there was a small movie hall, which you see now, and you know, we were sitting right there. You can see Daddy and Jashvi, and we started with our movie. And you know, they showed so many things about Bhopal there, and as I told you earlier in my video, it started raining, and that made the things even more beautiful. We were just walking around, we were enjoying the rains, and then Jashvi told कि कुछ खाना है तो हम चलते हैं bakery में. And let me show you some photos now.
See, this is one of the hall here, Paramveer Chakra Hall.
Did he die?
Yeah. Most of them. See, his Lance Naik Albert Eka during 1971 operation. Major Hoshiar Singh. They're all Paramveer Chakra. Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal, Armored Corps. They're all very, very courageous. Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon, 1971 operation. Naib Subedar Bana Singh, he got Paramveer Chakra in Siachen Glacier.
Did he die?
Yeah. Major Rameswaram, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, he was also in Siachen Glacier, fought Pakistanis. Lieutenant Manoj Pandey, he was in
How about
that
he?
Kargil operation.
Daddy, did he die?
Yeah. No, he's away. He died.
How?
No, because of enemy fire. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, he's still alive. He also got Paramveer.
How is it? How
Because of during war, you know, the war takes place.
Yeah, but why did he didn't die?
He didn't die.
Because some people survived, but it's not
Vikram Batra.
Vikram Batra, Jashu, that movie which you saw, no? Sheshan, nicknamed Sheshan, he was the one.
This is Somnath. In 1947, when you know India got independence, that time there was a war in Kashmir. So that time we got Paramveer
When
Chakra.
is this person?
Karam Singh, Jadunath Singh, Second Lieutenant Rama Rabho Raina, CHM Piru Singh, 1948, Captain Gurbachan Singh, 1961-62, in China, Indo-China War, Subedar Joginder Singh, 1962 War, Major Saitan Singh, 65 Operation, Havildar Abdul Hamid, he also got 1960. So, all these are very, only there are so many people, they're all Paramveer Chakras. Thanks a lot. And this is an army area in Bhopal. They have depicted everything from infantry, artillery, armored engineers, signals, various equipments used and how exactly it is used. They are trying to depict. Good place to visit. It's beautifully, this is the hall. It has been, this is for 1971 operation, victory of Indian forces, instrument of surrender, beautifully made. The gallantry awards, all names are there, during 1971 operation. And during 1971 operation, the Western Front was also activated, and these are details of that operation. This is also operations in Western Theatre, amply covered. Western Front, operation in Western Front, Battle of Longewala, Battle of Basantar. Now, from here, basically the Mukti Vahani, Mukti Vahani of Bangladesh. And today what is happening in Bangladesh and what is happening to Mujibur Rahman, who was instrumental in getting creation of a country, Bangladesh. Indian forces that time, President was V.V. Giri, General Manik Shah, Indira Gandhi was Prime Minister, Defense Minister Jagjeevan Ram, Air Force Chief was P.C. Lal and Admiral S.M. Nanda, the complete leadership during 1971 operation. This board covers, the genesis of 1971 Indo-Pakistan war, how exactly it developed, and finally, the beautiful photograph here, Manik Shah talking to Indira Gandhi. What a powerful general he was. See, during the surrender ceremony, operation in Eastern Theatre, in brief, all this. Beautifully laid down.
साधे केंद्रित है अपने लक्ष्य पर, शक्ति धारा प्रतीक है अर्जुन के पराक्रम और धैर्य का, अविरल बहते हुए समय का, जिसने कई सदियां देखी है और जिसे